हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स। और आज के सेशन में मैं लेके हाजिर हो चुकी हूँ विद सम इंपॉर्टेंट सिचुएशंस which are actually asked in the SRT, that is situation reaction test, one of the four psychological tests in SSB. This is part 18 where we are going to discuss some situations and some well and good responses for them. Starting with the first situation is the friend whom he had helped in examination had teamed up with opponent in college elections. This case you can write that he gave his best in campaigning and won the election. He will talk to his friend normally, ask about the reason why he has joined the opponent, and then continue campaigning. Okay. Second situation, while going on cycle expedition with friends, he saw armed mob approaching them. इस केस में वो क्या करेंगे? He will take his friends aside and take shelter from the nearby houses or take shelter in the police station, and then after the mob has cleared, they can continue with the expedition. Yeah, he will go back to the place or to their own homes. Okay, and inform the police also about the mob approaching. Next situation is he went for the trip for Shimla. After reaching, he came to know that one of his friends has got malaria. इस केस में of course उनको medical attention देना है, so he will admit him to the nearest hospital and remanage the trip timings. Yeah, he will send his friend with another friend back to home and continue with the rest of the trip. Next situation can be seniors gave him orders to perform a task, but he thinks that the order passed is wrong. इस केस में he will follow the orders, okay, because there is no chance to go against your seniors' orders in defense. Yeah, he will discuss with the seniors and he will put forward the reasons why he think that the order could have some discrepancies, and he will clear the discrepancies out, and they will give a revised order and he will follow it. ये भी आप कर सकते हैं. Next situation is his neighbors are not talking to him and started making nonsensical comments. So इस case में of course he will ask for the problem and sort it out, or he will want them to stop making comments and sort out the problem. Next situation can be while sitting in the exam hall, he started feeling sick and having headache. So, in this case, of course, he will drink some water, ask for medicine from the school staff or from the exam authorities, take it, complete the exam, went home, see a doctor, take medication, and take rest. Yeah, he will concentrate on the exam, complete the exam, went home, see a doctor, take medicine, and take rest. Next situation, while crossing a bridge, he saw a dead body lying under the bridge as intended, and birds are snatching the flesh of the body. So, इस case में of course police को inform करना है. So, taking no action is not a deal. So, he will report to the nearest police station, record his statement, and get the dead body rescued from there. Next situation, while playing cricket match, fights suddenly started happening between two rival groups and they started throwing stones on the playground. This case he will pause the game till the problem gets solved and resume match after it. Yeah, he will pause match, announce and request people to stay calm, go back to their own home and call the police or inform the police about the disturbance. Next situation is his district supply officer. There is an acute shortage of sugar in his area and people are agitating. So, इस केस में you will make serious efforts, fulfill the requirements by connecting with the higher authority and get the requirements fulfilled as soon as possible. Yeah, you will politely request people to cooperate, talk to the higher authorities, get the problem sorted out, and next day tell the people to come and collect the sugar. Next situation is he is going to office. He finds a disabled person on the road. In this case, he will help. He will ask whether he needs some help. Help him pay the deeds and reach office. Okay. Now I'll give you some 5 situations for your homework. I want you to write one response for each of these 5 situations in the comment box below. Number 1, he is on board a ship exercise when he got a telegram informing him that his father is seriously ill. Second, he is driving through a sandy desert road when suddenly his car got punctured. The nearest mechanic is 10 kilometers away in the city. Third, he is working as an executive in a company which is running into loss. The employees are demanding for bonus on the occasion of Diwali. The management is refusing to do so. Fourth, some sources inform him that his girlfriend is having an affair with somebody else. And fifth, his parents are out of station when his brother decides to do court marriage. ठीक है, तो इन 5 सिचुएशंस के लिए एक-एक रिस्पॉन्स आप नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में जरूर शेयर कीजिएगा. Now, if you want to prepare for your upcoming SSB interview in a more strong and effective manner, I would suggest you to take hold of SSB interview online course by downloading our SSB Crack Exams app from the Google Play Store. इस कोर्स में आपको सारी जानकारी मिलेगी एसएसबी के बारे में, प्रैक्टिस सेट्स मिलेंगे और आप हमारे साथ लाइव क्लासेस में भी ज्वाइन हो सकते हो. इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एनी अदर रिटन डिफेंस एग्जाम, उसके कोर्सेज भी आपको हमारे ऐप के थ्रू मिल जाएंगे. सो डाउनलोड आवर ऐप टुडे, गेट योरसेल्फ एनरोल्ड इनटू द कोर्स ऑफ योर चॉइस and use the code warrior10 to get a 10% off on those courses. That was it from my side. I hope to see you very soon with part 19 of the SRT practice exercise, where I'm going to bring some more SRT situations and responses for your upcoming SSB interview preparation. Till then, stay tuned with us and always stay positive and motivated. Jai Hind.
अगर आप एक डिफेंस एस्पिरेंट हैं और एसएसबी इंटरव्यू, एनडीए, सीडीएस, एफकैट जैसे एग्जाम्स के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो आप एसएसबी क्रैक एग्जाम्स के कोर्स को चेक करना ना भूलें। आप हमारी लर्निंग एप्लीकेशन को गूगल प्ले स्टोर से भी डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।